Hey guys, this is Sai Harikrishnan from the trendyblog.net, and today we have with us the Lenovo fitness band. So the model number of the fitness band is Lenovo HX03. So you can see this is a fitness band, and the power input is 5 volt and 1 amps. It has a 0.86 inch QLED display, etc. It is IP68 waterproof. So the price quoted on the box here is around 2,299 rupees. So here is the box pack itself. The box pack is quite simple. Inside you have the user manual on how to use this, how to set it up, etc. So next we have with us the band. Keep that to the side. And next we have with us the Lenovo limited warranty and notice, etc. So in case you want to read it, you can just read that. So first, going through user manual, you can see that the main functions of this fitness band is the time, display, raising hand, sleep monitoring, smart alarm, message, Facebook, Twitter, email reminder, and you can set the sport goal sharing information, etc. Reminder when you are sitting long. So dynamic heart rate monitoring, upgrade the OTO pedometer, etc. So this has some great features. If you sit idle for a few minutes, it will show you that you are sitting idle. So I've been using this for past 3 to 4 days, and here are my impressions of the same. It is all pretty well and solidly made. You can see that here we have the heart rate sensor, and it is pretty well made. So if you want to charge the device, you have to see this. You have to just press it hard like this. It will get come off, and this part you can just put in a USB port. You can charge the device. So turning on the device, you have to just press this for 3 seconds, and it will turn on the device. You can see that here we get the Lenovo branding, and it immediately turn on. So here it shows the time, which is 11:42. It's Saturday, and it shows the date. So at the top you can see that it shows the battery level left. So here's the battery level left, and next we have these steps. So I have done around 5,600 steps now, which is 5.6k, which is 5,600 or 5.6 thousand. And then the heart rate is around 88 bpm now. Let's go next. Then we have around I have walked around 3.2 kilometers today. Then it shows me the calories burned, which are around 518. So if you press this button for a few seconds, it will get with your menu. So you can see that it comes with back menu, and then if you want to start a stopwatch, you can do that. You can just come to this option to start watch. If you want to turn it off, you can turn it off. If you want to put up alarm snooze, you can do that. So if you want to check your heartbeat, you have to just go here, and now it will just check your heartbeat. Now you can see that it's showing that it's beeping, and here it shows that my heartbeat's 96 bpm. So when you check heartbeat, in the below you will get a green LED, green laser, which checks your heartbeat. So you can see here. So you can see the green LED here. This is the laser which checks the heartbeat. So here's the Lenovo's app, which is called as Lenovo's Healthy, and you can just use it. So you can see that it shows my total steps today. If I refresh it and go back, I can just pull down and it can refresh. And after refreshing, you can see it says that I have taken around 5,574 steps today. It says the time, at what time I have taken how many steps, etc. Then if you go to sleep quality, so this is of yesterday's night. So you can see that it shows the sleep quality of deep sleep 2 hours and 20 minutes, light sleep, wake up, etc. Then it shows the heart rate BPM. So you can see that the heart rate BPM, it checks for every 5 minutes. So it's 96, 180, 78, 70, 73, 89. So it checks like this. So that's pretty great. So if you come here, you can just go to your, you can see the battery percent, which is 34% left. You can go here and you can just put up your reminders like goal reminder, find phone, etc. So if you just press this button, if you see here, I'll just press it like here. So in 2 seconds, my phone will beep now. So if you can see, I have to put on silent mode. So my phone is vibrating now. So as you can see that was there. And then wrist up display, you can just turn off the wrist and it will just show the wrist up display. Then you have the smart reminder. You can click here and you can enable for your calling reminder, SMS reminder, WeChat, QQ, email, Facebook. You can just enable for these things and to get reminders for the same. Then we have a vibration intensity, in which you can just use it low, middle, and strong according to your personal preference. Then you can just set up the alarm, you can do factory reset, etc. So guys, that was my quick review of the Lenovo band. It's a pretty cool band for the price of 2000 rupees. So if you want to purchase the same, I will leave it directly in the description from where you can go and buy it. You guys also can check out our website, which is www.trendyblog.in, for more such tech articles and videos. So guys, this is Sai Harikrishnan signing off. We'll catch you guys soon, my next one. Till then, peace out.